How to get beautiful glowing skin. Do you long for a naturally gorgeous complexion? Do you wish that you had absolutely beautiful, glowing skin? Follow along to learn how to nurture and protect your skin so that it looks amazing as soon as you wake up in the morning. Aim to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water a day. The water will clear your skin and make it glow because it makes it easier for your body to flush out toxins quickly. Carry a water bottle with you all day to make sure you always have water on hand. Drink herbal tea or other non-sugary beverages to hydrate when you're tired of water. Healthy proteins and nutritious fruits and vegetables go a long way toward making skin glow. Omega-3 fatty acids. These are found in fish and walnuts, and are especially beneficial to your skin. Vitamin C. This will help existing pimples heal faster, so eating a few servings of citrus fruits and spinach will help. Fiber-rich foods. Fresh vegetables, nuts, and unprocessed fruit helps keep a fine balance and to be regular, not sluggish, in the gastrointestinal area. You may look and feel tired and sickly, headache and abdominal complaints, if you do not have regularity of elimination / movements once or more every day. Try to consume less than 45 g of sugar on a daily basis, and cut down on salty foods. Eating too much salt can make your face look bloated. If you're worried you aren't getting enough of necessary vitamins and minerals, try taking a multivitamin. Vitamins intended for pregnant women are especially beneficial to the skin. Cardio makes your skin glow because it stimulates blood flow. It's also healthy for your body and will make you stronger. You'll see results immediately and long term, too. Change out your pillowcase every 4 or 5 days. A fresh, bacteria-free pillowcase can stop your skin from erupting overnight. Keep your hands off your face. If you tend to rest your chin in your palm, or you're constantly fussing with your face, stop. The oils on your hands can cause breakouts, even in small amounts. Tie your hair back while you sleep. If you have long hair, keep it off your face while you rest. Braid it back, and use pins or a headband to keep bangs off your forehead. Get your beauty rest. Stress can lead to breakouts, so make sure you're well rested and calm. Change your birth control, females. Some oral contraceptives containing estrogen can calm down regular breakouts. Ask your doctor if this is the right choice for you. Doing so can make the infection worse and lead to permanent scarring. If you can't get the problem under control by yourself, visit a doctor. He or she can prescribe serious treatments such as Accutane, Retin-A or red blue light treatments. Some anti-acne face cleansers contain salicylic acid, which kills the bacteria that can cause acne. To prevent drying out your face, start using a salicylic acid wash only in the mornings and see if that's sufficient. If you still need more help, use it at night as well. Clay absorbs excess oil, removes impurities, and even kills bacteria in blemishes for clearer, more even skin. Once a week, after showering, dab your skin dry and apply a clay mask. Leave it in for 10 minutes or until it begins to dry. Rinse off and apply a moisturizer. Do not allow the clay to harden completely or leave it on overnight. It can overdry the skin.